Hello students, we are in the chapter construction in exercise 11.2. We have taken the first question. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC equal to 7 cm, angle B equal to 75 degree and AB plus AC is 13 cm. Dear students, at first let us draw the rough diagram. Here this is a triangle ABC. This measurement of BC is 7 cm and this angle B is 75 degree, okay, and AB plus AC, that is sum of these two, AB plus BC, their sum is 13 cm. Now let us start. Okay, at first let us draw BC equal to this 7 cm. Okay, dear students, here let us draw this 7 cm at first. This measurement is 7 cm. It is BC. It is 7 cm. Now here we shall draw 75 degree. Now dear students, you know how to construct 75 degree. What is the procedure? At first we shall draw 60 degree, then 90 degree. This is 90 degree. Okay, this is 90 degree. Then we shall bisect the angle between 60 and 90. That angle is 75 degree because 75 degree lies between 60 degree and 90 degree. So let us proceed to. So here we have taken the compass. Let us draw one by one. This at first 60 degree. This is 60 degree. Now 90 degree. We have to extend it a little bit. This is 120 degree. Now the angle between 120 and 60 is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. Let us draw 90 degree and 60 degree. We shall bisect the angle between 90 degree and 60 degree. This is 60 degree. This is 90 degree. Now we shall bisect the angle between this 90 degree and 60 degree. This angle will give us 75 degree. Now let us draw this 75 degree. Now dear students, the measurement of AB plus AC is 13 cm. So let us make 13 cm here. At first let us produce it. Okay, so this is produced to X. Now from here we have to take 13 cm. Let us mark this 13 cm. So this point is D. This point is D. Now what we will do? We shall join. Here BD is 13 cm. We have taken a point D on BX. BD such that BD equal to 13 cm. Now let us join C and D. This CD is joined. Now what we will do, dear students, we shall construct the perpendicular bisector of CD. Now how to construct perpendicular bisector? You see, here there is any line. Suppose this is CD. We will put the compass here at C. We will take a radius more than half. We will draw an arc. Again below also we will draw. With the same radius we will put the compass at D. We will draw another arc. And with the same radius another arc below it. This will give us the perpendicular bisector. Let us apply this here. Now here we have to take the radius more than half. So let us produce more than half of CD. This is more than half, you can see. We have drawn an arc. Here also we have drawn an arc. Then we will put the compass at D. We had to produce it earlier there, otherwise they won't intersect. Now this is the point of intersection here. Suppose this is point P, this point is Q. Now let us join PQ. Now dear students, you can check that this perpendicular bisector PQ intersect BD produced at this point. Let us name this point B A. Okay, now let us join AB. we have got the triangle ABC. Question was construct a triangle ABC. Students, we have thus constructed triangle ABC, whose BC equal to 7 centimeter. Angle B is, this is 75 degree, and AB plus AC is, this AB plus AC is 13 centimeter. Now dear students, some of you may wonder how or why suddenly it happens that AB plus AC is 13 centimeter. So we have to give the justification that AB plus AC is 13 centimeter. Let us proceed for that. Now dear students, let us see the justification of it. How that AB plus AC is 13 centimeter. Now dear students, let us get the triangle AD. Suppose this is E. Okay, there are two triangles. Triangle ADE, you can check triangle ADE, and triangle ACE. Now these two triangles are congruent. Why they are congruent? How they are congruent? Because the thing is very simple. We have drawn this PQ is perpendicular bisector, means these two are equal. Perpendicular bisector means this will divide CD into two equal parts. That means here DE equal to EC, as well as this angle is 90 degree because we have drawn perpendicular bisector, and this side is common to both the triangles in triangle ADE and triangle ACE. So these two triangles are congruent by side angle side criteria. Hence, as CPCT, AD equal to AC. AD equal to AC. This is CPCT. Right? Okay. Now, here what we had, AB plus AC is 13 centimeter. We have to prove that. Now here BD equal to, we took this BD equal to, we took this is 13 centimeter. 13 centimeter. Now what is BD? In the diagram you can check. BD is the sum of AB and AD. AB and AD. This is 13 centimeter. Now this is AB. Dear students, we had proved that AD equal to AC 13 centimeter. So here you can see that AB plus AC is that 13 centimeter. In this way the triangle is constructed. This is the justification of this construction. Now dear students, one thing is left. What is that? Steps of construction. Steps of construction. Now here at first BC is equal to 7 centimeter is drawn. Next we have drawn angle XBC equal to 75 degree is drawn. Next, number 3, we have taken BD equal to that 13 centimeter is taken on BX. Number 4, CD is joined and PQ, the perpendicular bisector of CD is joined, which intersects BD at A. Last one, then AC is joined. This AC is joined. Thus we have obtained the triangle ABC. Thus triangle ABC is obtained. Okay, this is the steps of construction. I hope all of you understood. Thank you, students.